conversation started with that you were not present at that time. Appreciated Vikalp that my decision to join the Vikalp was justified in this whole year to my family as well. We were in a big doubt whether to go for homeschooling or not, and now we are satisfied that it's a good decision because the overall progress and development that I am seeing in my kid, it's very satisfying. Special thanks to Vikalp and your faculties. I was hoping if parents could get some chance to thank Sister Hyacinta. She is the main brain behind the Vikalp. So there should be some annual meeting where we could thank
I
her.
just wanted to. This was actually, to be honest, this was my trial year. I wanted to try how the things work and how the online schooling works. So, to be honest, I'm very much content and satisfied with the progress also that Ayat has made, and the curriculum and everything that goes on with the concept and everything that goes. Actually, I'm very much happy, and I am thinking of enrolling my younger daughter also by next year. Now she's just 3 years old, turned 3 now in Feb. So I'm very much happy. I'm very much content with however the classes work, the teaching, the teachers, English and maths teacher, they were really very good. I have additionally added one language, that is Marathi, from the coming year. So which whatever is made curated, it is really very nice. I appreciate all the hard work that your team has done. So
Thank
it's
you.
really appreciating. It should be appreciated. It's really good work. I wanted to appreciate that whenever I want to reach out for some doubts or for the questioning, whenever I ping on the WhatsApp, there is always a reply that comes to me. From start to end, eventually from taking the admission from the first day when I was going through the process, should I do it, should I not? So at that time also the team that is handling all the WhatsApp and the communication team, that is also really good. They respond within half an hour or 1 hour maybe. That is totally okay, but there is always a response that comes to me, and whatever our queries, doubts that I have, they always, look forward ki yes, we complete that. So that is also nice, and I just wanted to appreciate that good effort.
Thank you
Yes,
so
we are
much.
very happy, ma'am. Whatever we expect from the school, so that the expectations was there, so we were happy. The
Okay,
kids were enjoying, not lot of stress or something. So they were genuinely eagerly waiting for the class to start. So that's what we want. So
It
nice.
was good, ma'am, actually, the whole session. We appreciate the teachers who are very much involving the students in activity ways. It is good, actually. We are very satisfied. Yes, ma'am, we saw much improvement. The day he joined, from the day he improved a lot. We are expecting more from him. So starting only, but I think he has done good.
Yes, even I think he has done a wonderful job for his age.
Because of the
And,
teachers, they focus so much on so much on each and every student's know. So the way of teaching, the method of teaching, we are very satisfied the way they are teaching. We are very much
No, ma'am, they're excellent, ma'am. Actually, she enjoys the class, the whole class. She sits and she enjoys. She listens to the class. So I don't have any complaint on. But the feedback is what I feel is it's a very good thing that they are doing. And online to make this kind of kids to sit in the sense the age, the grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 can easily they can sit and they can listen to the class for a. But very LKG nursery, it is too difficult for them to engage and sit. They don't listen, they run away. But in their classes, they sit and they do all the activity. I saw all the kids doing that. I thought it will be that my daughter might run. Sometimes she gets distracted, but seeing the other kids, she'll sit, but you're listening, and she also sits and she listens. So that is really good, ma'am. That I have to appreciate the teachers that they engage so well.